Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can change your Instagram name, so let's get right into it. Now, I'm not sure if you can change your username, however, I am sure you can change your name, which is what is displayed to other people, so let's get right into it. First things first, you're going to want to go into your account in the bottom right, just click on your profile icon, and then you're here, and as you can see, I have my username in the top left, I have my name under my profile picture, and I have my bio right below it. To change your name, what you're going to want to do is click on edit profile, and as you can see here, you can change your name. Now, you could also change your username. I forgot whether that was possible, but as you can see, it is. You can change that, or you can change your name to whatever you want. I'll just remove the account from my name and just enter tutorial, and as you can see, you can only change your name twice within 14 days, so I'm just gonna keep it as this for the time being. But as you can see, that is how you change your name. You just confirm it and confirm again, and then your name change will be saved and your account will be under a different name. Same goes for the username. You can only change it twice within 14 days, and you'll be able to change your username back within another 14 days, so that means you can change it twice. But yeah, that is pretty much all you can do. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.